The Pinkprint tour kicks off in Dallas today, and Nicki is using a dating app to remind fans to get their tickets. So Nicki is promoting her tour using Grindr. That way, when her fans are in the mood for something hot and heavy, they can remember to get their Nicki tickets. Grindr is a dating app geared toward the gay community that allows users to locate other men who live nearby. So while browsing through some man candy yesterday, you may have been greeted with a message from Nicki that said, "Who's coming to hashtag the Pinkprint tour? It kicks off tomorrow, hashtag all eyes on you. Get your tickets now. Can't wait to see you all there. Love, Nicki." Nicki isn't the first artist to utilize a dating service to get fans' attention. Zedd and Jason Derulo recently used Tinder to promote an album and a music video, while Mariah Carey actually created a Match.com profile to premiere her Infinity music video. Due to the trend, it seems like filtering through a dating app to promote projects is actually pretty effective, which doesn't come as too much of a surprise, living in a world where love and sex sells very well. Nicki's tour features her boo, Meek Mill, Tinashe, Rae Sremmurd, and Dej Loaf, with the North American leg running from today through August 19th. So if she's coming to a city near you, be sure to jump on those tickets, people. No doubt Nicki will put on a very good show. Now, what do you guys think about artists using dating apps to promote their projects? Let us know in the comment section below, or tweet me at Miriam Issa. Don't forget to subscribe, and then click right over here to check out a rundown of 21 celebs who got naked in their music videos. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm your girl Miriam Issa, and I'll see you guys next time. Click to the left to relive 15 moments in Ariana Grande's rise to fame, or click to the right to check out